Can I just make a quick side note to show you guys how much I don't like this hair right now? Let me see if the camera would pick this up. Hold on, let me find a good piece. Okay, can you guys see how... Focus. Oh my gosh, come on. You guys see these little pieces right here next to the hook? Come on, focus. There we go. See how those like little pieces right there? Almost all the pieces are like this, like right next to where I'm supposed to be looping it. The hair is just like ripping off of it. Well, not ripping off, it looks like it was cut at the loops. I mean, I'm still on my first pack of hair, so hopefully it's just this one, but see that? See how it's like little... Sorry guys, the camera never knows where to focus. Okay, but see what I mean? See how there's like little tiny shredded pieces? Some of them were a lot worse, but I've been using them anyway, but it literally looks like somebody just took a scissor and just cut off like half of all of the loops. And almost all of them are like that. So I'm just really annoyed because I feel like I technically have half as much of the hair as I should have. So I've never used this brand before. I just got it from my local beauty supply store, but so far I would not say to use this brand. Hopefully I'm wrong and it's better, but and it's just this one, but it's horrible so far. It's terrible. Anyway, back to the video.